To ensure water security is a big challenge in the 21st century in India. Estimates say that by 2050 the water demand will be much more than the limited water supply in India. The sector which consumes water most is the agricultural sector, followed by industrial sector and the domestic sector. But the agricultural sector, the water use efficiency is low compared to the developed countries standard. The same is the case with the industrial sector and also the domestic sector. So, there is a need to improve the water use efficiency in all these sectors. The National Water Mission in India mandates that all the sector should achieve 20% water use efficiency in India. However, this is not being seen to be implemented in Indian context. So, there is an urgent need for improving the water use efficiency in all these subsectors in the water sector. Secondly, the climate change, human induced climate change is now a reality. The IPCC report talks about this aspect, and the Paris Agreement talks about the global warming to the extent of 1.5 degree centigrade or 2 degree centigrade, depending on the measures being taken by the member states. The impact of the global warming is adversely so in the hydrological cycle in the water sector. As a result of the global warming, the frequency of or the intensity of rain will be very high, and the exposure of the drought areas in India will be more imminent. As you know that 68% of the area in India is exposed to the drought prone activity. So, therefore, the climate change impact on the water variability is a cause of concern. Now, how to improve the water variability or the water availability? One way could be that you create more storage through construction of dams, but because of these land restrictions and other problems, the quantum of storage is in India is limited. So, there is a pressure which should be given to the groundwater, and in the groundwater will be the best option to meet the adverse impact of the climate change. In the groundwater sector, the main issue is how to recharge the water, how to see that the water is of good quality which is going to the groundwater. The governmental program on groundwater management is praiseworthy. The Atal Bhujal program in groundwater is in the right direction, and I hope that this groundwater management, its participation from all the stakeholders, its mapping are done through the governmental program or the participations of the stakeholders in the states and the local bodies. Thank you.